New details coming out in the murder of a former college football player. Police say 21-year-old Nigel Brannon was shot during a drug deal on the northwest side of Oklahoma City last week. News 9 crime tracker Jennifer Pierce tells us how the victim knew the arrested suspect. Jen.
Carl, football here at John Marshall High School is what the two men had in common. Investigators say a fight over a bag of marijuana is what ended their friendship. The shooting call came out last week at the River Chase Apartments near Penn and 122nd. Oklahoma City police say Paris Tolver called 911, saying a person tried to rob him and he shot them in the chest. Officers found Nigel Brannon deceased in the front passenger seat of a Mercedes. According to search warrants, Brannon had an open backpack in his lap and a gun in his hand. Police found a jar of marijuana inside the backpack. Brannon's high school football coach was one of the first to learn of his tragic death.
He was an upstanding young man at John Marshall. I just didn't see this happening to a guy like him or him even going down this path.
Brannon went on to play college football for two different schools, but was recently suspended from one of the teams. During the investigation, Tolver told police he and Brannon played football together at John Marshall High School. Tolver admitted he met up with Brannon to sell him $1,200 in marijuana. However, Tolver says the victim didn't pay for the drugs, but instead pointed a gun at him. Tolver told investigators when Brannon racked the gun was when he reached for his and shot Brannon. Tolver says he initially ran from the car with the drugs, but went back and called police. He was arrested at the scene and booked into jail on a first-degree murder complaint. And the district attorney has charged Tolver for the murder of his former teammate. Reporting live in northwest Oklahoma City, Jennifer Pierce, Oklahoma's own News 9.